Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can verify your identification and complete your identification on PrizePicks. Now it's pretty simple. Now once you create your PrizePicks account, you'll have to verify your ID before you can get properly started with it. When you create your account, you're going to see this screen and you're going to go on your top right and click on this. Now this is the pop-up that you'll see right here. From here you'll have to go on request withdrawal. Now once you press on request withdrawal, it will trigger this where you can verify. Now as you can see, you need your smartphone for this and you'll also need your government issued ID, so make sure you have these two things with you. Now you'll need your smartphone to take a picture of yourself that you can verify that you're the same person that has been shown in the ID, and you'll need the government issued ID to show that you're capable and show that you're allowed to use this, and you're going to show your ID to basically verify all the information that you've listed in PrizePicks. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on get started. Now once you click on get started, these are two options that you have. Now you'll get a link from here. They can text you a secure link to your mobile device at no extra cost. You'll basically add your phone number right here. Option 2 is you can load the app by taking a photo of the QR code below on your mobile device. So you can open your mobile device, scan the QR code, and it will redirect you directly. Now after that, what you'll have to do is simply you'll have to first of all take a picture of yourself. You will scan a picture of yourself and you will scan a picture of the ID that you have. So once you use the link that they've given you, once you open it, first of all they're going to ask you to scan your identification so they can verify it by themselves, and after you do that they will ask you to scan a photo of yourself so you can take a selfie of yourself, and after that your identification would be completed. It will now go in the review system. Now if your identity is on par and it's correct, they will approve your account, and the review period can take some time, but this is how you verify your identity. Thanks for watching and subscribe.